So Gina's gonna get a massage in this place. Yeah. Alright, see ya. So it looks like they're just setting up for the food markets here. Let's have a look. This place is literally right next to where we're staying, so it looks like they're just setting up for a big evening ahead. Swadee up. Looks like they're setting up for a big evening ahead. Good place to drink and get lots of food.
OD. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I've been working for...
Alright, so I finally got my hair cut. I did also some clothes shopping and bought a new jumper and a new t-shirt from this really nice shop. So that's the shop, it's called F Lab. And then here's this night market that we walked past before. It's actually set up now. And Gina's bought some clothing as well. Yeah, so they got all the food set up and everything down in there, and yeah, it looks really, really good. It's quite big.
Light up the
So we're just at this exchange booth. Today's exchange rate for AUD is 20.40. USD is 29.90. What else is there? Yeah, everything is there. The euro is 32.25, so if you're coming from Europe, it's actually not too bad, and we just exchanged money for 20.40. So $1 Australian buys 20.40 Thai baht. So we're walking along the street here, and we've actually discovered there's like a little gourmet food market, and we've found these little coconut balls. It's massive. Narai mak mak.
I think inside the brown sugar as well.
These are huge. Look at the size of this jigger.
Oh.
Mmm. Oh. Narai mak mak. Mmm. Mak 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 mak. Mmm. So, it's like this doughy.
Try the juice thing. Have the ginger ale, turmeric, lemon, cinnamon, roselle.
It's like almost like a rice cake consistency on the outside. So it's really doughy and mushy. And
when you bite into it,
and when you bite into it, it's soft and it's got this gooey.
I think it's the brown
sugar,
coconut sugar
and coconut
stuffing.
explosion in your mouth. It's beautiful, and then obviously the outside is rolled in coconut meat or dried coconut. So it's just the flavour is just beautiful. Stopped again, which like we always do in Chiang Mai, because everywhere you look there's somewhere awesome. So we're at Restredo, which is their second cafe that they've got here in Chiang Mai. This is called Restredo Lab, and this place is fantastic. So you've got 15 signature coffees and spirits. It's got 22 specialty desserts, and 3 different methods of making coffee. So you can have the traditional coffee with the big machine, you can have it slow drip fed, or you can have it poured over with the hot water. So really cool. Each coffee style actually is listed here, and it actually tells you where they come from. So for example, where is it?
No, you're on the wrong page. Yeah.
So for example, I'm getting cortado, which is, it says it's from Spain. There's also the macchiato, which is from Italy. The piccolo latte is actually originated in Sydney, and it shows you what regions they all come from, so you can get any of that stuff made. And the coffee board that comes with to you actually shows you where the coffee comes from, how it's made, the origin and the strength. Try it. So the hot water warms up your mouth first, and yours is like got chocolate in it. Amazing.
It's very different.
The glass is extremely hot. I can't even pick it up. You feel how hot it is?
Oh,
Oh wow, that's really super strong. Whew, that's gonna definitely wake me up, which is just what I needed. Such cool buildings here in Chiang Mai, or the new part of town anyway. It's really cool. Alright, so we're on Soy 11 just off Neiman Road. We're almost at this chicken place. I'll put the name of it just down here. It's called Fried Chicken Yang Wichian. So that's why I'll put the name down, because you won't be able to remember how to spell it. Now from here, this fried chicken place, you can see the smoke bellowing out the top of the pipes. You can smell the chicken. This looks awesome. Have a look at the smoke coming out. This is absolutely packed inside as well. Look at that beautiful smoke. Swadee Cup. With the fried chicken. Woo-hoo-hoo! Swadee Cup. He's mega hot in this shed as well, so when this couple in front of us moves, we're going to go steal their seat, because they've got a fan in front of them. Whew, it is like a hot shed.
we can order rice.
You want some rice?
Do we need to eat with the rice? Probably not.
No, we don't need to eat rice. Oh, thank you. Cucumber salad.
I thought I said I don't need it. Anyway.
No. You were going to order the other one, and you said, don't worry about that, we'll have that one.
Exactly, so they're still bringing...
Yeah, I understood that you still ordered that one. Because you changed the other one, and you're like, oh no, we won't have that one. So you'll keep the other one.
I want the corn one. I ordered it first.
Yeah,
and
then you said no. Then you said no to the.
No, I don't want this one. I just wanted the corn one.
Then you said no to the corn.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I said I want this one, but I don't want this one anymore.
So you wanted the corn.
Yeah, I want the corn.
Oh,
one.
you said no to the corn. Yeah, doesn't matter. Just eat it. All right, try this chicken without the sauce first.
Juicy.
Is it as good as what they say it is? Is without the sauce?
Really juicy and tender.
Barbecuey?
Not so much. They must be using some sauce to marinate the chicken.
Try it with the sauce. Yummy?
Very juicy.
Can you try some with the sauce, honey? I'm holding the camera here.
That looks spicy.
Yummy? Thanks. So you want to see you spitting out a bone.
Try again. Can't taste much.
Nice with the sauce.
I actually prefer without.
Without the sauce, alright. We've got this amazing juicy corn salad with like a shrimps and this beautiful sauce here. This cucumber salad. Oh, beautiful food. Really, really nice. Absolutely delicious. It is mega hot in this shed. I'll tell you what. Mega, mega hot. Now, for the small plate of chicken, it's 150 baht. One looks like it's 160 for the bigger one. And then each of the plates range from 35 baht to 45 baht. So really, really cheap. I'm cooked. Alright, so we're out of that mega hot box of a shed. Whew, it was boiling in there. Our total bill came to 255 baht for all those dishes. Definitely recommend to try the chicken, of course. Have it with the sauce. I loved it. It's super sweet. It's not really spicy. And make sure you get the corn dish. That was really, really nice as well. Did you like that? It's actually quite a lot of chicken. It's probably...
Do you reckon they give us half?
I'm not sure, but...
Oh, there's the whole chicken. Far out.
I think that was a whole chicken.
Oh, we got 2 thighs.
And it was, yeah, flattened out. We just ate a whole chicken. Seriously, a lot of food. So yeah, come and check out that place. Yeah, it's worth checking out because it is very different to sort of anything else we've tried. So it's nice to change it up a little bit. The fried chicken gets a 7 out of 10.
Oh, I wouldn't call this fried chicken.
Sorry.
This is like a grilled chicken.
Sorry, grilled chicken. Grilled chicken.